Apple's brand new iPhone 16 models come with a super cool camera control button that is located on the lower right hand side when holding the phone in portrait mode. What makes it so handy is the ability to let you adjust photography settings when shooting with the iPhone in both portrait and landscape orientation. If you find yourself accidentally opening the camera app by unintentionally pressing the camera control button, you can either disable the button entirely or you can change the single click gesture that invokes the camera app to a double click gesture. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first up, you have to open the settings app on your iPhone, then select the camera app. After that, you have to choose camera control option. Under the launch camera section, you have to select the double click option and you are all set. From now onward, the single click of the camera control button will do nothing, while a double click will let you launch the camera app or any other third-party camera app that you have assigned to the button. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily change the camera control launch camera gesture on your iPhone 16 model. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.